The meeting was held early in the morning, with a tense atmosphere in the air. President Chi Duo summoned the 12 members, apparently to announce something significant. Before the session began, messengers from Dumian arrived in a rush, shouting warnings of impending trouble. The king of Kajin Kingdom, Hui Guoro, had uploaded a video online, declaring that Kajin would form an expedition to enter the Dark Continent. The 12 members were shocked. The Dark Continent is mankind's greatest taboo. Every human attempt to enter it has historically ended in catastrophe. Over 200 years ago, V5 had signed an unbreakable treaty to prevent future expeditions by any individuals or groups. The video continued to play. The king of Kajin urged everyone not to be swayed by superstitions about national ruin. The 12 members began analyzing Kajin's political situation. Chi Duo explained that Kajin experienced the quietest revolution in history 30 years ago, leading to a political system overhaul. Perhaps because of this, Kajin ignored the V5 treaty entirely. When everyone assumed the video was over, the Dumian messengers revealed that the real news was yet to come. Hui Guoro announced he would personally join the Dark Continent expedition team. He is the son of the former Hunter Association president, Leander Niderloh. The 12 members were stunned. Doubts arose about the legitimacy of his identity. But when Bayangda spoke, their suspicions proved excessive. On screen, Bayangda strongly resembled the president. As Bayangda's speech reached its climax, the video ended. The room fell silent. Dumian messengers then revealed that the president had left 2 DVDs. He had instructed that they be watched when his child appeared publicly. The 12 members viewed the DVDs together. Due to Z and Hai's absence, the group debated whether to watch them immediately. Chi Duo clarified he had further announcements. Z and Hai had already resigned from the 12, with his approval. All present were full members. There was no time for hesitation. Chi Duo added Meanwhile, Bayangda had gathered a team for the adventure. Among them was the unexpected member, Polly Stone. In a large building, a middle-aged man spoke with a young recruit. The young man had just joined the Hunter Association. The older man was his superior. He quizzed the young man on the Hunter Association's protocols. The young man answered meticulously. The superior then asked for a summary of the association's rules. The recruit stated no one should enter the New World. He had stumbled upon this rule by accident. They discussed Kajin's audacious behavior. The young man pondered the potential consequences. The senior warned it could open a door to hell. The recruit thought him hyperbolic. The senior revealed the terrifying truth. They approached a room with a mysterious machine full of liquid. Unidentified objects floated inside. The senior explained everything was once human. He handed the recruit a book titled The New World. He instructed the young man to read it silently. The object's nature confused the recruit. The senior said this was the price of stepping into the New World. After reading, he provided a report on the risks of venturing there. Suddenly, glass shattered. A man appeared, perched above the broken pane. The senior explained he was a member infected with the disease of immortality. Though alive, he was no longer fully human. He had survived alone for 50 years. At the 12th conference, the members watched the president's DVD. V5 had secretly created an investigation team to explore the New World. Beyond Nitro led this mission. The expedition failed disastrously. It returned with a new calamity. V5 had secretly created an investigation team to explore the New World. Beyond Nitro led this mission. The expedition failed, but the president intervened. The president had visited the New World twice in his youth, but the power required there was unparalleled. Some fought merely against the cruelty of nature. The president hoped the 12th could surpass Beyond, mitigate disasters, and bring hope from the Dark Continent. Although repeated in the DVD, the message was not a direct order. The 12th understood the mission intrinsically. Debate arose on V5's mission to hunt Beyond versus the president's order. Hito believed the president's mission should exclude other association members. Kiyo and Kansai argued for fair competition with Beyond. The 12th debated intensely. Beyond called to meet, revealing that the 12th had already captured him and Nitro. The 12th was still processing the shock. Beyond suggested another meeting to coordinate future actions. A youth read The New World, observing 5 disasters brought back. Ancient objects, ice, metals, desire, and sorrow were all present. They unleashed a deadly, magical influence, creating despair and immortality. This was no place for humans to tread again. These events cover Hunter x Hunter chapters 340 to 341. They bridge the president's election film and the Dark Continent storyline. Questions remain. Why does the 12th approach Beyond alone? How will the 12th respond? What is Polystone's plan to join Beyond's expedition? We await the next chapter. Thank you for watching.